everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Rita. So this is just going to be a short video sharing with you how I do my no makeup look. So before I put on any makeup, I like to wear a sun protection cream, and so this one is by Clinique. It's the Even Better Dark Spot Defense SPF of 50. I like it because it's very nice and sheer. It blends in with all skin tones. It's got a high SPF of 50, and also it's one that you can use around the eye area. Next, I'm taking a lightweight foundation just to even out my skin tone, so I don't go for a full coverage foundation for this look. Sometimes use a powder only, but for today I'm using the Dior Skin Nude Foundation in the shade 060, and it just gives me a nice natural glow and gives me an almost barely there makeup type look. So just blend that out nicely all over with a brush, and I don't actually set this with a powder as well. I'll just leave it as it is. Next, I'm taking my favorite blusher by NARS in the shade Taj Mahal, which is a nice shimmery orange blush that looks really nice on all skin tones and particularly complements really deep skin tones well. And this is to just give me that nice natural glow. And then I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Chicory to line my lips. And then I'm adding the Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Valencia Orange over the top just to give me that nice pop of color. And I'm finally going to finish off this look with a mascara. I'm using my favorite Clinique mascara, which is the High Impact Extreme Volume Mascara in the shade Extreme Black. With a no makeup look, I just leave my eyebrows as they are, so I know they're not going to look all that, but they are still good enough to go out. So it's really just evening out my skin, putting on a lipstick and a mascara, a bit of blush, and that is my no makeup look. So there you have it, guys. I'm ready to go out. It's a nice summer day today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.